We are pleased to show you the 2015 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance of the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure BMW owners have come to expect.